I now show you for Windows. So Windows system, I try many differences but does not work properly. I follow a process, open, Lightshot, and right click to option. And this is hotkey. This auto select default, but it does not work. So when I press skin, this is Microsoft system level program. Show this feature. Now need to move or bypass process. So let's open and go option, then hotkey. Now you select a blank key. Which key most of the time not using Windows? Like example, push key. So select this general hotkey. Input field, your mouse pointer, then simply press your keyboard push and OK. Now is ready to screenshot. Now I press push here. Now my Lightshot is working. So we can take a screenshot. This is not 100% bypass. So now I will go to real bypass. This feature maybe only work laptop. Now I go Windows Start button, then right click to setting, and you click, then go keyboard and find out this feature. Use print screen to open screen capture. Just turn off this feature. First, Lightshot right click, then option and hotkey, print and shift, control, and select. Now need to restart this. So after restart, now I test this feature. Press kick. Wow, now it's working. I hope your laptop will successfully bypass Windows default screenshot to Lightshot.